gosh, this is adorable. This is so adorable. What the fudge? Oh my gosh, this is almost what I want. So nice. Oh, okay. Fancy. And more. More. This is nice. This is very nice. Too big. This is almost it, guys. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is so high. Oh my gosh, it's too high. It's much too high. People day. This has been in my Shein cart, so I can finally get it to make my coffee. Okay, now let's look for my everything else. Okay, wish me luck. At least they have little drawings to like make sure you're getting the right one. I know mine was called, is it Mala, something like that. Jeez, I still have to put it in the car. So heavy. Okay. Jeez. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Hi, my loves. Let's get going.
Of what the TV is going to look like. I haven't figured the seat of her passion. This is the seat of her creativity. She is a goddess, and I will pleasure every part of her. And so, I think that's the number one thing, etc. And then there are techniques to use. So,
yeah, it's not. But the reason why it's a good thing is because in your relationship.
In this small community, children born to unwed.
Good morning. Yes, this is a band-aid because I'm injured. My hand hurts a lot. But anyway, I'm going to get a screwdriver because I'm over trying to do it with the scissor. I couldn't do it last night because the shops were closed. Like, I started building this at like 10 p.m. So I was like, how many screws could it be? It's endless screws. It is endless screws. I can't. My scissors bent out of shape. So I'm just gonna call it and get a screwdriver so I don't hurt myself any further. I've already broken a nail. I have several cuts on my hand. I'm just over everything. And to top it off, I wasn't having a good day to start. I don't know why. I thought, oh, let's build this. Okay, I wanted to build this so I could stop procrastinating and I could feel good about achieving something. But babe, at what cost? At what cost? Like, my mental health is not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good. So hopefully if I finish this, I'll feel better. So yeah, let's go find a screwdriver, and I hope it's at a decent price point. I don't know how much tools are. I know nothing. I'm just a girl. I'm trying to hype myself. I have 2 drawers left to make, and actually that's it. I have 2 drawers left to make, and then I just arrange, and then my room will be cute. But those 2 drawers, they need an endless amount of screws. I think it's maybe like 10 screws each, and with a scissor, that wasn't gonna happen. It's gonna take me 10 hours. So hopefully I find the right screwdriver, then I'll be done within, I'm sure I'll be done within an hour, surely. I'm using my heel to hammer the nails in, and then I'm using this dust bag as a cushion between the heel and the thingy, so that it's less loud, because it gets very loud if you just direct, but this kind of softens the blow. Done my nails in. How many more drawers? 2 more to go. Oh no. It's magnetic! Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That really helps.
Should I tuck it in?
I'm finally done. I'm so excited. It is literally perfect. I can't wait. So primarily, I'm gonna use this for a lot of miscellaneous stuff, I think, because I just have it in like storage bins. This is the bookshelf that I built before. This is for my shoes and bags, as you can see. Oh, my bag fell over. It's supposed to be upright. I'm too short for this. Okay, you get the gist. But yeah, my cute little room. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's tiny, but I'm making it work. I think these actually look nice. I don't like the box thing on the counter, so I thought maybe a little something for the display would be more. I don't know. I might just put it in the cupboard as well. I think I'm gonna put it in the cupboard. Oh, this is nice. See, it looks like coffee pot, but it's not. It's just non-dairy creamer in the vanilla flavor. Might keep. Oh, guys, Chick-fil-A sauce. Wow. I tossed that in there so it doesn't get crushed in my luggage. Chick-fil-A sauce. Anyway. This is nice. If you're trying to cut down on dairy, this is a nice replacement and it tastes good too. So yeah. And the other one for sachets. I'm a Nescafe girly through and through. So yeah. I hope these fit. Perfect. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. I'll try to put them separately. This is so nice. Nescafe, please hit me up because wow, this is the hill. So yeah, these are my two little kitchen developments so far. Now, it's my little tea coffee station. This is a tea holder actually. Let's move these. It's for tea. I'm gonna just put my teas in there. It's stackable from Daiso as well. How cute. Some couscous. For vibes, I really don't need this, but you know, for vibes, where do I even put it? Put it by the chicken. Okay. I'll have the rest tomorrow. It's really aesthetic. Now, star of the show. I made it's not a Greek salad. I don't know what it's called. This is just some lettuce, rainbow peppers, feta cheese, and avocado. You know. And then some salt and pepper on top. But I am gonna put dressing as well. Because why not? I want a lot of salad. I love this salad so much. Shaz and Melinda put me on, so I'm kind of nostalgic. Oh, there's also some cherry tomatoes just diced all up in there. You could totally do a lot of dressing, but I love dressing. because of the apple, everything's like already creamy and the cherry tomato liquid, so you don't really need a dressing. It's like a perfect salad if you don't want to put dressing. And it's black pepper feta cheese. Also, I can eat out of the main bowl because it's just me. Okay, well, let me actually go and eat. I don't think I need dressing. It's for tomorrow. Good morning, loves. It's 8 a.m. My helper just arrived to do the deep clean, so yay me. I'm just having tea to jump out my body. I think I slept for 3 hours, so I'm down bad, but it's fine. I'll feel a lot better when my house is in order. I can't wait. So I'm letting her do her thing. I'm gonna try tidy up. Not tidy up. I'm gonna try to arrange my clothes so that's less chaotic when she goes to my room, because jump scare. I have clothes everywhere. I have laundry in. I want her to help me like arrange them and stuff, and then I can maintain it, because I want it like, you know, wish me luck.
you, won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart hearts beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't
Is there an on button?
I got a crush on you.
Oh my god. That's so cool. Wait.
And she made me feel so loved and so heard. And I think that will just be exactly the same as my mum.
This is pretty neat.
We have to get us stick it together. Cheers. What's that? Oh, tomorrow morning.
We have to work together. Toast.
Take the shot together.
We're taking it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, this one is coming to spoil my mouth.
Okay, maybe later.
Oh, let me now. It's fine. Yeah, the better.
They're gonna be like, where did you get the bottles? Babe, I didn't get the bottles. Mm. Oh, it burns! Why does it burn? It's kind of good though.
It's
At
nice.
the end.
It's nice.
When you get it with a lemon, it's nice. Hey, there's too much lemon. Okay, I'll get oranges.